Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In this video, I will show you how to enable Secure DNS in Vivaldi browser on Windows 11 or Windows 10. Secure DNS improves your privacy by encrypting your DNS requests using DNS over HTTPS, also known as DOS. This prevents your DNS queries from being easily monitored by your internet service provider or other third parties. So let's get started. First, open Vivaldi browser and then click on this one menu icon in the top left corner, that represented by V icon. In the drop down menu, click settings. After that, click on the network in the left sidebar. On the right, you will find DNS over HTTPS. Turn on this one toggle that says enable DNS lookup over HTTPS. Now click on this one drop down menu and you can choose one of the best DNS provider from the available list. After that, you can close this one settings. That's all about this video. Bye.